Welcome to part 2 of the Beginner's Guide of Minecraft Pocket Edition. So, as I was saying, we were learning how to get the command block. But, good. Okay, so let's see. Accidentally made sunflower field because when you put the seed, it changes it to the seed name, okay? But that's A-okay, because you can edit it, okay? To edit it, just click the pencil, okay? Click it. Once you clicked it, you're ready to go. So, let's just name it. It is not sunflower field. It's starter guide. Starter guide. Next. So, we already did a couple minutes. So, now let's play it, okay? Okay. So, let's see. You are in Minecraft and, okay, it's almost ready. It'll also give you some tips while you're waiting. Okay, so remember you just got the command block, so let's see. The command block looks like this. So, let's see. You got 64 command blocks because you're in creative. Well, and I'll show you how to control the world without a command. First, press the chat icon. Then, click the slash. Then, it'll just give you 4 options, which is set world spawn, which means wherever you're at, that's where you'll appear when you first start the game. Number 2, teleport. You'll usually you'll teleport who in the nearest player. Time is to set the time to then you can, or weather, it'll change the weather. You can swipe in time, okay? It's because you're actually changing the time and there's lots of ways. So let's just continue. I'll show you how to make an unbreakable block in the command block. So, first, click the command block. So, then it'll show this screen, but upside down. My screen is upside down. So, you don't need to put the slash in the command block. So, to make an unbreakable block, just do, no, not the unbreakable block. Let's just do a water pool. So, let's fill. Now, we need to know where to put the water. So do you see the coordinates? So, it'll say position, something. So, let's just add some blocks to remember where to put it, okay? Where it'll start and will end. So, it'll start here. And it'll end here. No, not here, but this is where it's supposed to go. So, let's see. So, okay, it's block 550, 64, 110. 550, 64, 110, okay? 550, 64, 110. 550, 64, 110. So fill 550, 64, 110. So don't type in the same coordinates as mine. Yours will be different depending on the world. Then where will it end? So that coordinates for me, it'll be 5, 6, 3, 64, 123. Wait, one more time. 5, 6, 3, 64, 123. 5, 6, 3, 103. So after that, let's just put water. So let's see. Do you see? You already did the command. So let's look at the command and check if you did it right. Next, let's see. Well, will it work? So let's see. So next, you're gonna get a button, okay? Any type of button you want. So I'll just do the stone button. So to play something on the command block, just crouch, like I showed you. Crouch. And then place the thing you want to place in the command block. So I'll just put it on all the sides. Also up and here and here. So let's see. Where are the blocks? There they are. So we are supposed to be looking this way. So let's see what we can do. What this bad boy can do. So let's see. So we're in the command block. Press the button.
Exclamation mark. 112 blocks filled.
Let's see if it worked. It actually worked. But not the blocks I was expecting. You see? Look at those. Look at that. We just made all this with the command block. Okay, so you already know how to build a house. You already know how to build a command block. Not to build a command block, but I don't know how to do survival. But, okay, so that was just a trick of what I could do. So next we are going to try is how to how to use some of the how to use the tables, okay? So what you are gonna need for this activity is a crafting table, a anvil, also just right table for all the things you need, a cartography table, and an enchantment table. So look right here. So you're gonna need a crafting table, anvil, cartography table, and also the enchanting table. So let's see. It's actually called enchantment table. So let's start with the crafting table. Let's say we want to build a book. So just click the crafting table, and what you will need for this build is an ink sack. It's not a build, but how to build something. You're gonna need an ink sack. We're gonna write a book, okay? A book, not the book and quill. And you will also need book and quill, ink sack, and no, not the book and quill, just the book. And you'll also need a feather, okay? That's how you make a book and quill. So let's see. Do you see this platform? So first, you're gonna place an ink sack on the middle of your build of the crafting table. Then on the right of the ink sack, you're gonna place a feather. Then place the book on the bottom. There, you will get a book and quill. So the difference between the book and quill is that the book, you can't write anything. So, okay, in the book and quill, you can write anything that you want. like your adventures, a story. But the problem is that you can't include drawings. So it's like a book. So now you see, and let's see. Now let's try the anvil. Next, the anvil is very, 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 very strong. Click on the anvil, and the anvil can be used to name, repair, or enchant items. So, okay. Number 1, just place an item including the crafting table, and you can just, you see, I don't know how to repair stuff, but I know how to name stuff. So, this will be called a making table. Making table. So then click on the one on the right. Okay, click on the table on the right, and you have a making table. Okay, so they work very differently. So let's just get rid of the making table and hey, you cow! You're not supposed to be trespassing in our build. I'm gonna kill you so bad with this anvil. Okay, fine. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, everyone. It's okay. I just got a bit mad with the cow. The cartography table, it's to copy or rename maps. So, do you see? You got a map here. To copy, you would need a map and a paper, or just a locator map, or just an empty map. So let's see. So but to rename maps, just place a map and just name it. It can be used with the naming thing can be used with the anvil too. So, number 1, place a map in the cartography table, and then just name it or just put a paper. So, now let's see. And now the cartography table thing is done, and it's night. I just get mad at Minecraft sometimes. And the last one is the enchantment table. Okay, for this build, you would need any kind of armor. I recommend diamond armor, because diamond is the strongest thing in Minecraft. So, you see, get your armor ready and go. So, enchantment table, if you're in survival, you would need lapis lazuli. Well, it's in a made-up language, so. Okay, number 1, place the armor, like one type of the armor, in the enchantment table. And it will just say blurry stuff, but if you click it, it will not show blurry. So, I don't know how to choose this, but it's because all is projectile protection. I'll just click this, and then if it's shining blue, you are ready to enchant. Like, well, it already enchanted. I'll try unbreaking now with all the enchanting table. The unbreaking again, and also the protection again. So let's, oopsie. Actually, it needs to be in order. Boom, you have enchanted table. Wait, boom, and you have enchanting armor. So let's clear it away, and now we're done with these. So let's start with the next thing. Okay, so the next thing we are gonna do is learn how to get something in the marketplace in Minecraft, including skin packs, anything. A world, but I don't know how to get mine coins for free. But in part 3, you will know how. See you next time in part 3.